Little helicopter, air freshener. Let's open it up, see what we get inside. On the box and instructions on how to use this, you simply twist this off. There is a piece of wood. You take the essential oils, 1 to 15 drops. Pour it in the little circle groove. When you feel that you have enough oil, stop. When introduced into the sun, it starts to spin. Find a spot in your car that will grab the sun, that will spin the air freshener all day long. Don't forget to refill it when the air freshener runs out. You get enough oil, and other oil essentials can be found online for your needs. I hope this is the right novelty for you.